The splitting up of Nigeria into 3 regions, an arrangement that denied the legitimate aspirations of the people of the Midwest, is ended. Now, a Midwest region has been created as a result of the plebiscite of July 1963. Campaigning for its establishment, Dr. Okpara, the Premier of the East, was greeted by Chief Dennis Osadebe, the leader of the Midwest State Movement, when he arrived at Asaba. It was the beginning of a 12-day tour for the Premier, who was accompanied by Mrs. Okpara. The federal and all the regional legislatures had voted for the new region. It now remained to find out the wishes of the people themselves. At Ogwashu-Uku, the crowds gathered to welcome the Premier. The Premier was to pay a sincere tribute to Chief Osadebe, speaking of him as a man who had done more than anybody else for the creation of the new state. He appealed to the people of the Midwest not to be complacent or adopt a negative attitude to the problem. The new state would be the fulfillment of a promise made by his party in 1959, he said.
Okay, my people, you all have watched the video. That video was made in 1963 when the Midwestern region was created. The man in that video is Michael Okpara. He was the Premier of Eastern Region. In that year, 1963, before Midwestern region was created, Michael Okpara went to Asaba to meet with Chief Dennis Osadebe. Chief Dennis Osadebe was the one championing for the creation of Midwestern region. Michael Okpara went to Asaba to campaign for the creation of Midwestern region with Chief Dennis Osadebe. After Michael Okpara left Asaba, he went to Ogwashu-Uku campaigning for the creation of Midwestern region. The Southeast were in full support for the creation of Midwestern region in 1963. Our Southeast brothers were doing everything possible to see that we Anioma people leave Western region to be in Midwestern region. Midwestern region comprises of Edo states and Delta states. After all these things that Michael Okpara did for Anioma people to get Midwestern region in 1963, the Asaba of Asaba did not see all these things. Instead, he's saying that Anioma state should remain in the South. Asaba of Asaba, what did Igbo people do to you? Since you became the king of Asaba, you have never said anything good about Ndi Igbo. You have never said anything good about the Southeast. What did Ndi Igbo do to you that you don't want Anioma state to join Southeast? Our royal fathers from Anioma land that are the pioneers of Anioma state agitation, the Obi of Abo, the Obi of Idumujuboko, the Obi of Abo, and many others, they want Anioma state to be part of Eastern region. Our Southeast brothers want us to be part of them because we Anioma people are Igbo people. Asaba of Asaba, why is it that you reach your turn, you say you don't want to make Anioma state join Southeast? In the video that you made in Arise News, you said you don't want any other place to be added to this Delta North called Anioma, which means you don't want the indigenous Igbos in Edo State to be part of Anioma State. Asaba of Asaba is very bad. We Anioma people, we are Igbo speaking people. We are Igbo people. We speak Igbo language. We observe Igbo culture and tradition. We use the 4 market days. Everything about Anioma people is Igbo. Yet, you don't want Anioma people to join our brothers in the Southeast. As Anioma land dey now, some kings, they follow Okowa. Those kings where they follow Okowa, as Okowa thought say, you don't want to make Anioma state join Southeast. All those kings, they thought say, they don't want to make Anioma state join Southeast. Political kings everywhere. The Asaba of Asaba is saying, we don't want Anioma state to join Southeast. As if The resources where they will take, they run that Anyoma state, they come from Asaba. Asaba of Asaba, you as a traditional ruler, you are not supposed to be saying, let Anyoma state be in the southeast, let Anyoma state be in the south-south. What you are supposed to be saying is, whether Anyoma state is in the southeast or is in the south-south, what you want is for Anyoma state to be actualized. That is what you are supposed to be saying. But instead, you are taking sides, standing with Okowa. You don't want Anyoma people that are speaking Igbo language to join their southeast brothers. It's very bad. Asaba of Asaba is very bad. Now pattern. Kings in this Anyoma before you want Anyoma state to join southeast. Now you they talk say you don't want to make Anyoma state to join southeast. Ibule Zobuna ife inemebu ineke wande mmado, causing disunity. A king is supposed to be uniting, but your own are to divide, your own are to separate. You are bringing bad name to yourself. Because people go to talk say Anyoma people want to join southeast. The Asaba of Asaba is saying that Anyoma people should remain in the south-south. Anyoma people, not Igbo people, are they not brothers with the southeast? If you talk now, you go start to talk say Asaba people were killed during the Biafra war. As if the 3 million Igbos that were killed during the Biafra war are from Asaba. Because of Kaduna and Zogo from Okpara, the southeast were killed massively by the north. How many people from Okpara live for the north during the time of Kaduna and Zogo? How many people from Asaba live for the north during the time of Kaduna and Zogo? But when Kaduna and Zogo did that coup in 1966, Northerners started killing Igbo people in the north. 98% of Igbo people that were killed in the north are from the southeast. But instead, the Asaba of Asaba is not seeing all those ones. A true Anyoma son, we never want Anyoma people to remain in the south-south. He will want Anyoma state to be part of southeast. For Igbo to unite, for us to coexist, for us to grow Anyoma land. A king is supposed to be uniting, not dividing. Your own na to they divide people, to they cause disunity. If no content creator, if nobody from Asaba go tell you truth, we go to this place tell you the truth. Asaba of Asaba, stop playing politics. The late Asaba of Asaba, Professor Dozier, he is in full support of anything in the Igbo. He loves everybody in Anyoma land. He loves Igbo in the southeast. You they work with Okowa. You they say you don't want to make Anyoma state join southeast. Knowing fully well that the proposal for Anyoma state is for Anyoma state to be zoned to the southeast. So, King, why he say, you know, say Anyoma state won't join southeast. You they support opposition. They say make Anyoma state they south-south. How he takes sound for ear. It shows that you don't want Anyoma state to be a reality. All because of you are working with Okowa. Asaba of Asaba is very bad. For Midwestern region to be created, our southeast brothers played a very big role. Our father Michael Okpara, he came from eastern region to Anyoma land to be campaigning for the creation of Midwestern region with Dennis Osadebe in that same Asaba. You not see all those ones. All those good where our southeast brothers don't do for we Anyoma people. You not see them. If to say Okowa talk say let Anyoma state be zoned to the south, he say he supports waiting Senator Ned Nwoko they do. You go talk say let Anyoma state be part of the southeast. The reason why the day of Abo is saying that he wants Anyoma state to be in the south is simply because the Oba of Bini took care of him when he was a little child. As the late Obi of Abo died, Oba of Bini carry this day of Abo of today when he this small boy. Carry him go keep for US. Now for US this day of Abo of today they grow. So in order to pay respect to the Oba of Bini, he wants Anyoma people to remain in the south, to be in the same geopolitical zone with Bini people. Asaba of Asaba, when you were talking in Arise TV, you said that you don't want to say some kind of things so that it won't cause controversy. Waiting you want talk where go pass this one where you don't talk already. Asaba people migrated from Nteje in Anambra State. The compound where Nebisi from migrate from that Anambra state, from Nteje, he still there that place till dates. Their family still there. But instead, you still want we Anioma people not to join our brothers in the southeast. Asaba of Asaba, they separate us. Separating us from Igbo. Making sure that there is a very big gap between Anioma people and Igbo. Are Southeasterners the ones that killed Asaba people during the massacre? No. Now Southeasterners come they kill Anioma people during the Biafra war? No. But instead, you keep saying that you don't want Anioma people to join the southeast. Instead of uniting a people, you are separating a people. You know Igbo. You know separating the Anioma from whom one went on a southeast. Asaba of Asaba, be a uniter, not a divider. We Okwane people, we are Igbo people. Forget say some of our Okwane people they get identity crisis. They don't say, hey, they don't want to join southeast. They prefer to remain in the south. Okwane people are the major people suffering in this Anioma land. All the things where Asaba don't achieve for this Anioma land, no single Okwane community don't achieve them. Yet Asaba is not contributing anything to the economy of Anioma land, to the economy of Delta State. The major people that are contributing to the economy of Delta State are oil producing areas, which are Okwane people, Urobo people, those people that have crude oil. Now then they grow this Delta State where they see today. The GDP of Delta State is high. It's because of Urobo people, Anioma people, Isekiri people, not Asaba people. Asaba is just the capital city, that's all. Even with all the resources where we get for Okwane land, we Okwane people, we are not benefiting anything from it. Light we not get. Asaba people, they get light. They're not they contribute anything for Anioma land. They're not they contribute anything for Nigeria economy. You Asaba of Asaba, in a video, you said that Asaba must remain the capital of Anioma State. You said it in the video. So you get that interest. Now you they fight the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. You want to make Asaba be the capital of Anioma State. And you they choose side. Make Anioma State remain for south. Asaba of Asaba, the capital of Anioma State will never be Asaba. You can't be fighting the struggle for Anioma State and the southeast zoning and be expecting Asaba to be the capital city of Anioma State. It will never happen. You can't be benefiting from what you are fighting against. If you don't want to make Anioma State join southeast, then if we get Anioma State and zone it to southeast, it's right for you to say that you don't want to be the capital of Anioma State. Say you don't support the zoning to the southeast. Maybe they carry capital city, go another place. That is what you are supposed to do. Make we know say you are not in full support of the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. So as you don't make Anioma State go southeast, if we get Anioma State console and go southeast, the capital of Anioma State will never be Asaba. You say you want to make it be say Anioma is only for Anioma people. That you want Anioma State to be only this Delta North. You forgot about the indigenous Igbos in Edo State. King where you be say na divider in be. How you go take want to make it be say the indigenous Igbos in Edo State join Anioma? You don't like unity. That's why you don't care about the indigenous Igbos in Edo State. Because if to say you love Anioma people, if any Igbo na soy, if any na so bia na soy, you won't make that statement. In my community, we don't like king. We dey forbid king. Come Ogume say you want be king. We're gonna look like who be this person. We Ogume people, we believe that king is not a good thing. We believe that king destroys, king they cause confusion, king they do many bad things for community. That is what we Ogume people believe. So many other Okwane community, they believe in that thing also. We believe say king not good. And that is why if you go Anioma land today, so many bad things they happen for that community, so many unrest, lack of peace, and other things they happen for those communities. Now their king be their root cause of all those problems. And that is why we Okwane people, if we see anybody where they do bad thing, we go call that person out, because in our own culture and tradition, we believe that everyone is equal. If Okpaluku do wrong thing, we go tell us say Okpaluku if he men are them man. A king is not bigger than the full community. No king in Anioma land is bigger than the entire Anioma. The major people that have been supporting we Anioma people in this country are our brothers from the southeast. And there is nobody from this Anioma that will separate we Anioma people from our southeast brothers. Anioma State must be created and zoned to the southeast. And there is nothing anyone can do about it. Ishewale.